Good morning students, how are you? In today's video we will continue our second chapter, and today we will see key deficiency disease and the balanced diet. We will continue these two topics in today's video. Okay, so let's start. Balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrition that our body need in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too much little of other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such diet is called a balanced diet. Okay, our diet should be balanced. Every nutrition should be present in that in right amount, not too much and not less. Okay, uh, it should not that like that ki vitamin C is a too much quantity and the vitamin D is in less. Every uh, nutrition should be present in right amount. That is called a balanced diet. Do you think that people of all ages need the same type of diet? No. The different people of different ages need the different type of diet. Okay, do you also think that what we need for balanced diet would depend on the amount of physical work that we do? Yes, it is. Prepare a chart whatever you eat over a period of week. Check whether all nutrition mentioned are present in one or the other items food began eaten within a day or so. Okay, this is a activity. Pulses, groundnut, soybean, sprouted seed, a combination of flours, banana, spinach, sattu, jaggery, available vegetables and other such food provide many nutritions. Therefore, one can eat balanced diet without expensive food materials. Okay, these are natural products. These are pulses, groundnuts, soybean, sprouted seeds. These are natural nutritions or balanced diet without expensive food material. Eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should be cooked. Okay, we can't eat all things raw. The right kind of food, eating right kind of food is not good. Like take example of vegetables. Okay, spinach, take example of spinach. If we are eating we know that spinach is very healthy, iron, vitamin A, we got all these things. But if it will not cook properly, there is a no benefit. We will not get anything from the spinach. It should not be overcooked and not raw properly, so that its nutritions are not lost. Are you aware that some nutrition get lost the process of cooking and preparation? Means कि सिर्फ अच्छा मतलब न्यूट्रिशियस फूड ही खाना प्रॉपर नहीं है, ज़रूरी नहीं है, सही नहीं है. इट शुड बी प्रॉपरली कुक्ड. मतलब वो प्रॉपरली कुक भी हो कि उसके न्यूट्रिशंस कुकिंग में और उसके प्रोसेस में आपके ना ख़त्म हुए हों. If vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or preparing them, it may result the loss of some vitamins. Means कि vegetables and fruits should be washed before cutting them. Okay, vegetable and fruits should be washed before cutting them or peeling them. If we will wash them after cutting or peeling them, the nutrients may be lost from them. The skin of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals. Similarly, repeated washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals present in them. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and make it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost in excess. Water is used during cooking and is then thrown away. Vitamin C get easily destroyed by heat during cooking. Would it not be sensible to include some fruits and raw vegetable in our diet? Okay, means vitamin C get easily destroyed by heating them, so we should uh, include some fruits or some raw vegetables in our diet to get a vitamin C. Okay, and we have to careful while cooking that the nutrition of the food should not be lost during cooking process. Okay, Bujo thought that fat would be the best food to eat. Means कि Bujo thought that nutrition should would be best food for eat all the time. A katori of fat will give much more energy. Means कि we get of energy from food. What will happen if we eat only food, only fat? Means Bujo thought that fat will give much more energy than katori of carbohydrates rich food. Isn't so? He ate nothing but food rich in fat, fried food like samosa, puri, malai, rabdi, peda. Do you think he was right? No, he is not right. Fat is fat gives us energy, but it is not only a perfect diet or complete diet. Fat is not a complete diet, it should be balanced. If we will consume a more fat comparison to other nutritions, there will be a disease that is called obesity. Okay, it means मोटापा भी एक बीमारी होती है. Okay class, read this balanced diet. If you have any confusion, ask me. Okay, till then, thank you.